Hey kids, welcome back to Moony. Today we're gonna play with the 100 Words book and learn about all kinds of cool stuff. Are you ready?
Yes!
Look, the first page is about pets. Do you have any pets? This right here is a dog. This is a lizard. And this is a cat.
Wow!
Wow! Let's look on the next page. This is an elephant. And this is a giraffe. This is one of my favorite animals, a panda. Look, fruit. This is an apple. And these are grapes. We also have an orange. On this page, we have cheese. And broccoli. Have you ever had cheese? Favorite color too.
Wow!
We also have blue and red. These are your eyes. Do you know where your eyes are? That's right, they're right here. This is a nose. My nose is right here.
Wow!
This is an ear. Do you know where ears are? That's right, they're right here. Aw, look, this is a hug.
This is my favorite activity.
Look, the turtle is eating. This turtle is crawling. The tiger is jumping. Outside. Look, a moon. For Moony, we have a rainbow and a sun. Sun in Spanish is el sol. We're already on the last page. Vehicles. We have a submarine, a bicycle,
I ride the bicycle on bike path.
and an airplane. Opposites. We have day, and the opposite of day is night. We have hot, and the opposite of hot is cold. Look, we can learn some cool facts.
This lizard crawls.
Wow!
This bear is brown. Cherries are red. Eggs come from chickens. Mealtime. We use a napkin to clean our mouth. These gloves go on our hands. We use our mouth to eat. Activities. Oh, I love to move. Sleeping helps your body grow. Look at all the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Vehicles. A helicopter flies in the sky. I'm clean. I'm dirty. I need a bath.
Wow! I feel like we learned so much today. Thank you so much for reading with me, and don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.